We're here at Twin Willows Golf Course, a par 3 facility. Built in 1963. It's short because it's only 10 holes. So I don't know what that's all about. A family-run facility. Jeff and Nicole Ward, well, they own the property. One's a PGA pro, the other one operates the inside, and I think we might even checked in with them when we walked into the facility.
Oh yeah, dreaming of birdies without a care. Swipe my card, pay the fee. Why's this game so pricey for me? I'm swinging high, I'm swinging low, but my wallet's where the pain will show. If I ruled the course, let me tell you, friend, we'd all be playing till the daylight ends. Golf ain't free, but if it's up to me, tee times for all, like they're meant to be. No greens fees, no cart charges, just pure joy on the fairway arches. Golf ain't free, but man.
Most of the par 3s are knolls, so they're elevated right at the green, but they're pretty challenging, and you really don't have much green to work with when you do miss it. My biggest recommendation, and Ed's recommendation, is to putt anytime you're close to the green. Right, Ed? Yes.
The course is located in Lincoln Park, New Jersey, and being built in 1962. Well, it's not that long. Most of the holes play about 100 yards total, and they seem to get a little bit longer as you go through the course. With only 10 holes to play from, there's a lot of unique parts about this that I have to jump out and scream. The bunker play is anything I've never seen before. The course definitely seems to be more of an experimental type golf course, which I like. I enjoyed it. I don't know if it's the original layout being built in 1962, but it feels like that, with obviously some of the tee boxes being changed since then. You can find yourself getting good at your short game, and I think that's the purpose of this course. Each hole has a fence associated with it, which I thought was kind of fun, brought a little characteristics to it, and also kept you from getting hit by a golf ball from someone else, which makes sense. Overall, I thought the course was rocky and interesting. There's definitely a lot of places to miss here and throw away a hole. But then there's something about this course that I enjoyed. It was challenging because it wasn't the greatest course in regards to maintenance ability. Even though it was extremely priced well, the maintenance of the course, because you take some big chances on the bunkers, that is. And it's hard to keep up with bunker play, and every one of these holes had a unique bunker layout, and it's very demanding. So I'm not taking away that the course wasn't in good shape. The putting green surfaces I thought were unbelievable. I loved this golf course when it was all said and done, but you know, overall you have to find something, did an honest review, and something that's memorable for when you go out and switch it up and play it yourself.
Right in the sand. And number 6 being the most challenging hole, the number 1 handicap. You know why? Because of the bunker sitting right in front. Looked like a bulldozer came through. I've never seen a bunker like this. Look at this. Ed, look at this bunker. This is amazing. It's a double-sided bunker. A double-sided bunker.
That's actually pretty terrible.
That's not a template hole. That's they got to cut this. Oh my God. What do we got? All right. It's a sunken bunker. I've never seen this either. A sunken bunker in between both of these greens.
It's a long one.
Yeah, it's the, I think each one of the holes get a little longer. And the nice thing is it does finish with the longest hole on the course. 100, I almost said 300. 186
That's
yards.
going to do it for this quick golf review. The course is a 4.5 with 115 Google reviews to choose from. It's public, it's unique, and I hope it never changes there in Lincoln Park. I was very grateful to play with a good friend of mine and learn golf and grow, hopefully, as we consistently bring you the cheapest golf content on YouTube. Stick around as we try to find, hey, where is the next public golf course we're here to target? You can see right here, the bunkers on the
This
left.
is a pretty cool hole with all these bunkers throughout it. There's multiple bunkers back there. For birdie.
And keep a lookout as we try to target some more new courses throughout New Jersey and maybe even on the West Coast. Go see Ed himself on the San Diego side of life. That's going to do it for our quick episode here. I didn't know about this golf course until I realized that there was a little public golf course here where Ed was swinging through. So, if anything, this just kind of popped up last minute. I was really grateful to learn about this course and the rich history. That's going to do it for this quick episode. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we consistently bring you the fun golf content that money can buy. This is the Parfessor. Keep a lookout for more videos to come because more importantly, we've almost played every public golf course in New Jersey. We're running out of things to do. That's going to do it for us. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.